how are you guys doing today? It's time for another recipe here on our channel, Real Nice Guyana. And no, we are not doing squash. The squash in the background there, I just wanted to show you guys. This squash is one of the longest I've seen. And it is 5 foot long. And in my opinion, that's long for a squash. This is a very long squash. It broke in two there because it was so long to carry in one piece. But just look at that. It's amazing. So there you go. But we're not gonna, I guess we're gonna be having squash after this fish and bread here for all week. There's so much squash now that we have. So for this fish and bread recipe, which we're gonna be doing today, Guyana's all-time favorite traditional classic fish and bread. We have the traditional fish used for fish and bread, which is bangomeri. We have 2 of them there. We're gonna be using some black pepper, salt, scallions, celery, pepper, garlic, and broadleaf thyme, which is also called puddina. So that's about it, guys. So let's get, and of course, some pepper sauce to go with this fish and bread. Or else it's not fish and bread if you don't have some pepper sauce in it, right? So, having said that, let's get started. So I love bangomeri fish, guys, in fish and bread and curry. Alright guys, so we have our fish washed, and make sure you remove all the bones. I'm pretty sure you know how to do that. We're gonna move on with getting our seasonings ready now. So this is popular, this fish and bread is popular in Guyana, as you guys know. Whenever you go anywhere in Georgetown, this is a popular snack to get with a mabi or a cane juice. Fish and bread and cane juice, or fish and bread and mabi. So in Guyana, when you had a cake shop, this was one of the things you would make and have in your glass case. They used to call that a glass case, remember? That would have all the fish and bread and the pine tart and the Chinese cake, celery, cassava ball. And I'm not talking about the cane juice stands, I'm talking about the regular store, the regular shop. Shop as we call it. And if you were a bit younger, you don't get fish and bread, you go and get stretcher. So how many of you know what stretcher is? So you're going to just pat your fish dry before you add the seasonings. You don't want to have too much water in there for it to be all runny. And you can season this fish and leave it for about half an hour or however long you like. So first thing would be some black pepper. Next is some salt. So this is easy to remember, right? Nothing like fresh ground seasonings. Okay, so you're gonna season both sides. Okay, so we have this all seasoned now, guys. We're gonna let this rest for a bit, and then we're gonna fry them. Okay guys, so we're gonna be coating with just flour, and our oil is hot. It's time to fry. So we're gonna get all 4 fillets in there. Our pan is just big enough for that. Time to flip. Okay, looks like our fried fish is done frying. Alright, so we're gonna put our fish and bread together now, guys. So there's our fillet, guys. Looking yummy. And you're gonna sprinkle some pepper sauce here now, as much as you like, depending on how hot your pepper is. Just a couple sprinkle. And there you go, guys. That's your Guyanese fish and bread. Hope you like this recipe, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please remember to comment. Let us know what you think of these recipes we're doing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.